Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Good day pageant lovers, sa videong ito ay mapapanood po natin ang Q&A round ni Miss Lars Pacheco sa Miss Mandirigma 2025 Coronation Night during the top 12 finalists. And now, mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon ng mga Pinoy pageant fans ang controversial na Q&A na talagang natapat sa ating pambatong si Lars Pacheco. And now, panoorin po natin.
On such fundamental choice and the decision of two people to formalize their relationship, but must be accorded utmost dignity. Some people argue that legalizing same-sex marriage could lead to the erosion of Filipino traditional family values and societal norms. As a young lady, what is your stand on this issue?
When I was a child, I dreamed of walking down the aisle with the one I love. But right now, here in the Philippines, same-sex marriage has not been accepted, and we must accept that. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that we don't need the sign of a priest to prove our true love. Because I believe that the true and real commitment doesn't dictate on what is written on the paper, but rather what is your stand and how you love each other. Because I believe that at the end of the day, wala mang papel, wala mang kasulatan, basta't kayo'y nagmamahalan, kayo ay magsasama panghabang buhay, sa hirap man at ginhawa. For I believe, love always wins. Thank you, magandang Jensen.
Thank you so much, Miss Lars.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at nawa ay patuloy na mag-subscribe sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita at bagong updates.